Now, covered in a thick blanket of snow, winter begins its grip on China, with sharp falls in temperature forecast over the next 2 days. China's national forecaster expects the strongest cold wave to sweep across most of the country. Our next report brings you the details.
Freezing weather begins to grip large swathes of China. Persistent snowfall has led to power and traffic disruptions in some areas, where emergency responses have been taken to ensure the resumption of normalcy in people's lives.
I'm very happy and surprised because I haven't seen snow for 3 years. When I looked out the window, it felt like there was a snowy mountain outside, all white. Happy winter!
Snowfall-induced icing has caused damage to power transmission lines in North China's WION province, with a population of more than 200,000. Additional maintenance crew and emergency power generators are being dispatched from nearby provinces to help with the relief work. Forecasters say sharp falls in temperatures are expected over the next 2 days, particularly in the south. China's national forecaster expects the strongest cold wave to sweep across most parts of the country, reaching as far as the southernmost tip. Even though the sudden nip in the air has caused disruptions to large sections, a few residents were seen making most of the weather and enjoying a snowball fight.
The air feels fresh. It's very comfortable. It's been a while since it last snowed in Beijing.
The city is presently on an orange alert for heavy snow, a yellow alert for icy roads, and a blue alert for cold waves. China has a 4-tier weather warning system, with red representing the most severe alert, followed by orange, yellow, and blue.
There is some impact on our daily life, but in terms of buying daily essentials like food takeout, it's very convenient. You can order from home and it's delivered to your door. Old people and children don't have to go out.
The National Meteorological Center renewed a yellow alert for a cold wave, predicting that temperatures in most parts of China will drop by 8 to 12 degrees Celsius from Thursday evening to Saturday. Bureau Report, WION The World.